Hello, my name is Valeria Hernandez, and today I will be presenting about my project about a piggy autopsy I did in my class. For background information, I wrote, in this project we conducted an autopsy on a fetal pig to learn about mammalian anatomy, and understanding organ development can help us determine the cause of death. By examining external features and internal organs, we gain a deeper understanding of biological systems and medical investigation processes. This activity mimicked the real work done in pathology in forensic. For the purpose, I wrote, the purpose of this autopsy was to examine the fetal pig's body in order to identify any signs of abnormalities in organ size, appearance, or development, and to draw conclusions about how these findings may relate to the pig's cause of death. There are no significant anatomical differences in the fetal pig, and any abnormalities found are not related to the cause of death. Hypothesis driving questions. Number 1, what abnormalities, if any, can be found during the autopsy, and how might these impact the pig's ability to survive if born? Number 2, how does examining a fetal pig help us understand the functional integration of different body systems? Number 3, how do the organ system in a fetal pig compare to those in humans, and what does this tell us about mammalian evolution? For variables, independent variable, the fetal pig being examined, its body and organs. Dependent variable, the observation recorded organ size, color, texture, and weight. Control variable, class average, organ measurements and appearance used as a baseline for comparison. For materials, scalpel, scissors, scale, string, tweezers, tray to place the fetal pig, a specimen, paper towels for cleaning, observational assignments and autopsy worksheets, safety equipment, goggles, face mask, apron, and gloves. For procedures, the section began with an external examination of the fetal pig's head, followed by a precise incision made near the ear to expose and observe the brain. Next, a longitudinal incision was made along the ventral side of the body to access the internal organs. The umbilical cord was carefully removed, and dissection tools were used to extract and examine major internal structures, including organs from the digestive, circulatory, and respiratory systems. Each step was performed with attention to anatomical detail and proper dissection technique. And these were pictures I took while I was doing the autopsy. For the first one, we can see the pig with anything. In the second picture, we can see everything of the organs we took out. And in the third picture, we can see its heart. For observations, I wrote, all of the organs had a reddish-brown color. Right kidney is slightly smaller than the left kidney and looks like a darker brown. Big intestine was filled with wurst. Stomach had a mostly water weight and had a black spots. Weight without anything weighted to 12.6 grams, and the heart is pointing to the right. For results and conclusions, I wrote, from the dissection I was able to identify major organs like the heart, liver and stomach. I learned how these organs are connected and how the pig's anatomy is similar to a human's. This helped me better understand how the body works. For a real-world application, I wrote, fetal pig autopsies are used in science classrooms across the world to teach students about mammalian anatomy. Since pigs have a similar organ structure to humans, this hands-on experience is a practical way to learn how medical professionals like doctors, surgeons, and forensic pathologists examine bodies to understand health conditions or causes of death. Autopsies benefit our society by helping diagnose diseases, solve medical mysteries, and even solve criminal cases through forensic investigations. In the future, this type of dissection can be enhanced with virtual or augmented reality to reduce the use of real animals while still offering a detailed learning experience. To improve this project, future research will explore the use of 3D models, compare human and pig anatomy side by side or inside real life case studies to deepen the understanding of organ functions and medical diagnosis. That will be it. Thanks for watching.